Welcome to Jay's Daily Pre-Market Briefing for Friday, February the 9th, 2018. Starting off with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq did actually continue down through the 64.45 quarter, and following the little arrow we had there, has now gone down to the 63.40 quarter to 63.08 half. And this is a key area. If we get through this area, then we should see continued action to the downside down to the 6200 handle, 6200 to 6219 quarter, that area. However, we could get a bounce here, and if it does bounce, I'd expect it to go up to 63.88 half, or to retest that key zone of 64.45 quarter to 76 on the Nasdaq. And moving along to Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures slightly down a little bit here. I was expecting the retracement up to 91.10. We're just bouncing or playing around this 77.95 area right now. So let's see whether or not we get up to that 9,000 area. I think we will. However, if we don't, and we actually get through this 77.95 again, well then that key level there, 52.45, will be in play. So not much has changed on Bitcoin. The range is a little bit tighter over the last few days, but definitely bias is short, and I'm looking for opportunities. I would be looking for opportunities on the short side on Bitcoin. And moving along to crude oil. Crude oil almost to the tick of that 62.10. Let's grab that here. There we go. So yeah, 62.10, pretty much the high yesterday. So really just retesting that zone and continuing the way down. So the arrow between 62.10 and 59.41, that's the direction we're expecting. So retracements to look for potential shorts would be 61 quarter or this 60.57 area. I'd probably like the 61 quarter better for a retracement to get short, but ultimately I think we're going to go down into the 59s and potentially beyond. So watch that key level. The key area is going to be 59.41 to 58.80. So watch those two levels and everything in between. And I'd be sticking with shorts on crude oil for now. And now looking at gold. Gold finally breaking through this 1330 half to 1326 area that we had been talking about, coming right into this 1317.9 to 1308 area. And so far we're a little bit above that. So if we stay above that zone, then I would be expecting a retest all the way up to 1368.2 or 1381.1. And also we've got 1406.7 out there. So as long as this zone holds, then I'd probably be looking for long side action on gold. And if we do get below the 1308, then I'm expecting at least the high 1200s, if not the mid 1200s, probably all the way down to 1260. But in the short term, over the next couple days or week or so, we'd probably see it into 1297 half, 1288, and 1278.1. But key area and what we're looking for to happen has happened. So keep your eye on this area now on gold. And looking here now at the 6E, once we broke through that area there, around 23,500, it was a pretty quick move down and right into an important zone. It's looking similar to gold. We have a bigger move down and then into this key zone here, 124 or 122.480 to 122.095. That's going to be the key for the bulls. If that holds, expect a retracement up to the 123.350 to 123.615 area. If we do get above 123.615, then we're probably going up to test at least the 126 handle. So watch 125.66 and 126.15 if we get back above 123.615. However, if this 122.095 breaks, at least a move down to 121.28 should be expected. If not below that, probably a test of the 120. So watch the 119.785 level. So that's your daily pre-market briefing for Friday, February the 9th, 2018. Trade well, control risk. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.